Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Lodge Cast Iron Care Kit is probably one of the most essential purchases you can make to prolong the life of your beloved cast iron cookware. This kit provides everything you need for proper cleaning, seasoning, and maintenance, ensuring your pans remain in top condition and continue to deliver delicious meals for years to come, making cooking easier and more enjoyable. Number 5. Lodge Cast Iron Care Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your cast iron cookware in top condition. It includes everything from a seasoning spray to a handy scraper. This 100% pure vegetable oil spray protects your cookware, enhances its finish, and is completely additive and propellant-free. Its assorted angles make cleaning your cookware a breeze. It's designed for easy cleaning of even the most stubborn food particles. This heat-resistant holder protects your hands from burns up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The gentle nylon bristles are perfect for cleaning your cookware without damaging the finish. It's designed to preserve the integrity of your cookware. The kit also includes a handy use and care booklet, so you'll always know how to best care for your cast iron. Everything you need is right here in one convenient kit. What we like. This kit has everything you need for cast iron care. The scraper and handle holder make cleaning and handling easy and safe. If you're new to cast iron or want a convenient all-in-one solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The scraper, brush, and handle holder are all super beneficial for the care of a cast iron. The scraper and brush perform really well in cleaning the cast iron, especially when food is caked onto the piece. The fit of the handle holder worked well for my cast iron that wasn't Lodge branded and protected well against heat and has a pretty comfortable fit. Number 4. Lodge ACM10R41 Scrubber. This durable scrubber is designed to effortlessly clean your Lodge cast iron and carbon steel cookware. Its unique design makes cleaning a breeze. It's made from tough stainless steel chainmail, perfect for removing stubborn, baked-on food. Yet, it's gentle enough to protect your cookware's seasoning. The ergonomic silicone core provides a comfortable and secure grip, making scrubbing easier and more efficient. You'll appreciate the ease of use. Say goodbye to scrubbing for hours. It effortlessly removes even the most stubborn baked-on food without damaging the seasoning on your cookware. Cleaning it is a snap. It's dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Simply toss it in and let the dishwasher do the work. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this essential tool for cast iron and carbon steel cookware. Experience the difference. What we like. This chainmail scrubber is tough on grime but gentle on seasoning. Its comfortable grip and dishwasher-safe design make cleaning a breeze. If you need a powerful yet easy-to-use scrubber, this is for you. What people say. It's stiff enough to help get food off of the pans. The pad in the middle makes it easy to grip and get it to fit into the corners of the pan. This sponge is fantastic. It was easy to grip, moderate weight, and sturdy. It took off multiple levels of cooking gunk with ease. This is great for getting the stuck-on residue from use without removing the protective buildup on the pans. You can rinse them without dish soap and then wipe them with some oil and they will remain shiny and seasoned all of the time. Number 3. Clark's Cast Iron Care Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your cast iron cookware in top condition. It's the perfect solution for restoring and preserving your favorite pans. The kit includes a food-safe seasoning oil, a special soap, a scrub brush, and an applicator pad. Everything is designed to work together for superior cleaning and seasoning. This refined, food-grade coconut oil is perfect for seasoning your cast iron. It creates a long-lasting, protective layer that prevents rust and sticking. Our all-natural soap is tough on grime but gentle on your cast iron. It's free of harsh chemicals, making it the ideal choice for safe and effective cleaning. Unlike other oils, this coconut oil won't go rancid, so you can keep it on hand without worrying about spoilage. It's perfect for regular use. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, we're here to help. We respond to every customer email. What we like. This kit uses premium coconut oil for seasoning and an all-natural soap for cleaning. It's a healthy and effective way to maintain your cast iron. If you prioritize natural ingredients and long-lasting performance, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. It brought a terrible-looking cast iron back to life for me and keeps your cast iron clean and beautiful. The brush that came with this set was great at removing the majority of rust we had forming on our pots. Simply put, the brush is sturdy, the soap and oil is light and natural, and the pads hold up well. The oil is great for day-to-day, but seasoning, it seems like the smoke point is high. Number 2. Foodieville Creation Farm Cast Iron Soap. This plant-based cleaner is perfect for all your cast iron cookware, from skillets to Dutch ovens. It's tough on grime but gentle on your seasoning. The optional spray top has an on-off button, make sure it's switched on and pump it a few times to start. It's designed for easy and efficient cleaning. Get 25% more soap per bottle compared to other brands. We believe in giving you extra value for your money. It's mild and plant-based, so it's tough on grease and food residue while protecting your seasoned cast iron. Keep your cookware looking and performing its best. From skillets and pots to Dutch ovens and griddles, it cleans them all quickly and effectively. It's the perfect solution for all your cast iron cleaning needs. For the ultimate cast iron care, use this soap with our Foodieville cast iron oil. Together, they maintain that perfect non-stick surface. With Creation Farm Cast Iron Soap, you get a superior clean, more value, and natural care for all your cast iron. Your satisfaction is our goal. What we like. This plant-based soap is gentle on your cast iron but tough on grease. It's also a great value, giving you more product for your money. If you prefer eco-friendly options and want to save money, this is the best option. What people say. Makes cleaning very easy, comes in a convenient spray bottle, and I don't have to worry about the pan's finish. This soap cleans my cast iron perfectly. Soap cleans pretty well. Number 1. Creation Farm Cast Iron Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your cast iron cookware in top condition. It includes a special oil and soap, designed to make cleaning and seasoning effortless. The cast iron soap gently cleans away grime and food residue without harming the seasoning. Your cookware will always be ready for your next culinary creation. Our cast iron oil helps maintain a beautiful, non-stick surface. Get that perfect sear and those satisfying grill marks every time. Both the oil and soap come in large, easy-to-use bottles, offering superior value. The oil even has a convenient spray applicator. The spray top has an on-off button. Make sure it's on, and pump it a few times to start. It works great for precise application. Made with food-grade ingredients like flax, sesame, and MCT oils, it not only seasons but also protects your cookware from rust and moisture damage. It's perfect for all types of cast iron cookware, from skillets and griddles to Dutch ovens. Take it camping or to your lake house, it's the ultimate care package. Get the Creation Farm Cast Iron Care Kit today and keep your cast iron looking and performing its best for years to come. What we like. This oil and soap set makes cleaning and seasoning your cast iron effortless. The large bottles provide excellent value. If you want simple, effective care and great value, this is the set for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.